turn back? Can you turn back?
You're kayaking now, big girl?
Uh-huh.
Can you turn us around? Remember how to do it?
Yeah.
How do you do it? There you go. You use that left side. There you go. Oh, sorry, I'm not even focusing. Okay. Now which side are you going to go? You going to go left or right to get under the bridge? Uh-oh. Yeah, it turns around. Yep, focus on that right arm. Focus on paddling on the right side. There you go. That's exactly how you do it. There, you turn this around. You're really starting to steer us now. All right. And we'll go back.
That's the end of the video.
Okay.
You can get in on this. Yeah, I was gonna. Okay.
Ho appena terminato di gonfiare la valvola e si sgonfia tutto.